As days turned into weeks, Nathan found himself increasingly drawn to Rita's warmth and kindness. Her genuine compassion and unwavering support had thawed the icy walls around his heart, and he couldn't deny the growing affection he felt for her. Their time together beneath the mango tree became the highlight of Nathan's days. They shared stories, dreams, and aspirations, finding solace in each other's company. Nathan marveled at Rita's resilience and admired her unwavering optimism in the face of adversity. He found himself opening up to her in ways he never thought possible, sharing his hopes, fears, and insecurities without reservation. But amidst the laughter and camaraderie, Nathan couldn't shake the gnawing guilt that consumed him. Every moment he spent with Rita was tainted by the knowledge that he was living a lie, that he was deceiving her with every breath he took. And as their bond deepened, the weight of his deception became too heavy to bear. One evening, as they sat beneath the mango tree, Nathan's resolve finally crumbled. With a heavy heart and trembling hands, he took Rita's hand in his and confessed the truth about who he really was. He told her about his wealth, his privilege, and the charade he had played in search of authenticity. To Nathan's surprise, Rita's reaction wasn't one of anger or betrayal, but of understanding and acceptance. She listened to his confession with compassion in her eyes, her heart breaking for the pain he had endured. And as Nathan poured out his soul to her, he felt a weight lift from his shoulders, as if a burden he had carried for far too long had finally been lifted. In that moment, Nathan realized the depth of his feelings for Rita. He had fallen for her, fallen hard and fast, and he knew that he couldn't imagine his life without her by his side. And as he looked into her eyes, he saw a glimmer of hope, a flicker of possibility that maybe, just maybe, they could find a way to overcome the obstacles that stood in their path. Together, Nathan and Rita vowed to face the challenges that lay ahead with courage and determination. They knew that their journey wouldn't be easy, that they would face trials and tribulations along the way. But they also knew that as long as they had each other, they could overcome anything that life threw their way. And so, beneath the mango tree where their love had blossomed, Nathan and Rita sealed their commitment to one another, their hearts entwined in a bond that would withstand the test of time. For in each other's arms, they had found the authenticity they had been searching for all along, a love that was true, pure, and everlasting. Please support this channel by leaving a like, share and subscribe.